Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 1302 Vista Prado in San Clemente, California. This stunning home resides behind the private gated community of the Reserves West. Now, this is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, and as you can see, this house is extensively renovated. These beautiful floors are on both levels. The kitchen is a masterpiece. This is quartzite, Taj Mahal. If you know, you know. The cabinets are soft close along with the drawers, and you have this stunning view of oceans that are panoramic. This property is located on a single loaded street on a cul-de-sac location. This property feels like a brand new home. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Let's go take the tour. My favorite room of the entire house. I'm in the primary bedroom. It's sizable and you have direct ocean views. You have an additional seating area. You can use that as a library, an office, or a workout room. And the lighting here is absolutely amazing. Look at this gorgeous backyard, and the sun is literally right in front of me. It illuminates the entire home. Oh my gosh, it feels so good out here. And the ocean is literally right there. The sunsets on this property are absolutely phenomenal. If you have interest in viewing this gorgeous home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks so much for taking the tour.